In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a sheet in Smartsheet. This is a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how easily you and your team find and understand your work. Clear, consistent names help when you're searching, scanning tabs, or pulling reports. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open the sheet you want to rename. At the very top left of your screen, you'll see the sheet's current name. That title is interactive. Simply click directly on it. When you do, it becomes editable right in place. Now type the new name you want to use. That's all there is to it. Once you've entered the name, Smartsheet updates the title for that sheet. A few quick notes to give you context. Renaming a sheet doesn't change any of the data inside it, and it won't affect how your columns, formulas, or attachments work. What it does affect is how your sheet appears throughout Smartsheet, on the tab at the top, in your folder or workspace lists, in search results, and anywhere you reference the sheet by name. If you're collaborating with others, they'll see the new name the next time they open or refresh their view. Because names matter, it's worth choosing something descriptive and consistent. Keep it short but clear. Consider including a project name, a team or client identifier, and a version or date in a format that sorts well, like year-month. Avoid vague labels like final or new, which can become confusing over time. If your organization has naming conventions, stick to them so everything lines up alphabetically and is easier to scan. If you click the title and it doesn't let you edit, that usually means your access level doesn't allow changes to the sheet's settings. Owners and admins can rename sheets, while more limited roles might not. You might also run into this if the sheet is open in a restricted context or your session needs a refresh. Close and reopen the sheet and try again. If it's still not editable, check with whoever manages permissions for your workspace. One last tip. After renaming, take a moment to verify that any dashboards, reports, or documentation that mention the old name are updated for clarity. The sheet itself is the same. You're just making sure references are clear for your team. And that's it. Click the sheet name at the top left, edit it, type the new name, and you're done. Clear, simple, and instantly helpful.